Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. So in yesterday night we have conducted a poll regarding the next video topic, and as you clearly seen, 72% of the people has voted for rainfall distribution in India. So today's video topic is distribution pattern of rainfall in India and all. So before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that all the notification will come to you, and share also the videos with your friends, so it will really help them also. So let's start the video. So in today's video we are going to discuss the distribution pattern of rainfall in India. Okay, so first we will see this map of India and we'll try to understand how the rainfall distribution is there in India. So as you clearly see in this dark blue color portion receive more rainfall and the light blue portion receive less rainfall, and lighter to light blue it is the area where the rainfall is more or less, and there are also certain white patches also in between where the rainfall is very scanty or not there at all. Okay, like below 60% or below 60 centimeter, 60 to 100 is the light blue, darker to light blue is 100 to 200, and above 200 is the area where are the more than 200 centimeter rainfall is experienced. Now this region is also there, which is very much important region for India because Western Ghats are here, and because of the Western Ghats only, the leeward side of the Western Ghats, that is this side of the Western Ghats, receives more rainfall as compared to this particular region. And why this white patch is there? Again, the reason is Western Ghats only. Because of the Western Ghats, winds are not able to cross this area, and because winds are not able to cross this area, so there will be no rainfall or the less rainfall. Now if you see this area also, this area is one of the wettest place on the earth because monsoon-drenched also is here located, and most of this northeastern region is full of greenery, green cover and all, and this is the reason why there will be more and more rainfall in this particular region. Now if you come to this side, the western side, so here there is a parallel wall of mountain chain that is called Aravallis. Okay, so because of the Aravallis, this portion of the India remains scanty of the rainfall because most of the wind will travel parallel to this Aravalli. So this is the map representation of rainfall distribution in India. So now we move forward. The normal year rainfall in India is around 125 centimeter, remember this. Yet it has incredible special variations in India because as I told you, India is having consisting of Western Ghats, then we have Himalayan mountains, northeastern greenery, okay, Eastern Ghats is also there, and northern plains are also there, Aravallis is there. Because of all these reasons, the rainfall distribution is not same or not very equally distributed throughout the country. A few areas experience extremely high precipitation and others exceptionally meager distribution. Somewhere it is very high, somewhere it is not at all there. The distinction between the kept most noteworthy and the least in India is around 1178 centimeter. Rainfall in India is unpredictable throughout the year. So in India it is quite unpredictable how to predict the rainfall, with an obvious stormy season over the vast majority of the nation beginning in about June and finishing off the September. So as you clearly know, India comes under monsoon type of climate. So we have a monsoon type of climate, means monsoon basically means reversal of wind. So reversal of winds will be there. And one more thing you have to remember, it will be longer only till September because from October we will be having a reversal of monsoon. So monsoon arrives in India as a southeast monsoon, but when it will be October November, it will be considered as the northeast monsoon. Okay, from southwest to northeast monsoon. So portion of western coast and northeastern India get over around 400 centimeter of rainfall every year. So this northeastern region, it will be having, you can say, most of the time they will be getting the more than 400 centimeter of rainfall. Again, the reason is the climate, the topography there, the geography there, the greenery there, these are the main reason. And there is a place called monsoon-drenched, I think you people might have known. So you have to tell in the comment section in which state that Monsoon comes in. Okay, so Monsoon on earth is the wettest place where they will receive more than 1000 centimeter of the rainfall. So rainfall is under 60 centimeter in the Western Ghats, connecting portion of Gujarat and Haryana. So here I told you, like, there is a parallel chain of Aravallis. Because of this, the Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat will not receive much rainfall. So 60 centimeter is the average in a Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana. Then Deccan plateau also. Deccan, because Deccan I'll show you here only. So Deccan, you know, Western Ghats is there. So it will form two layers. One is leeward side and one is the where the winds will not reach. So this portion receives more rainfall, but this portion will not receive much rainfall in the Western Ghats. So rainfall is low on the inside of the Deccan level. So this is the inside level, and east of Sahyadri. So Sahyadri, so Western Ghats in Maharashtra called as Sahyadri. Okay, so east of Sahyadri also will not receive much more. Snowfall is confined to the Himalayan districts. So this is the Himalaya. So Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand will receive okay. So snowfall will be only confined to these Himalayan states of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The yearly precipitation is an exceptional factor from one year to another, because multiple factors are there. El Nino is there and other geographical rain patterns are there. Then climate change is also one of the problem nowadays. Global warming is also the problem nowadays. So multiple reasons are there why we have a different to different precipitation over the years. The rainfall over India unevenly distributed. Along with the uneven distribution, the annual rainfall is also highly variable. So annual rainfall is also very highly variable in India. The distribution of rainfall in various species of India shows below. The rainfall diminishes as one action from Kolkata to Amritsar. So if you go from Kolkata to Amritsar, the rainfall distribution will be decreasing. So you have to remember one thing here also. If you move in India from eastern to western part, okay, eastern to western part, so rainfall decreases. Remember this thing. It shows a declining pattern towards inside from the waterfront regions on Deccan Plateau also. So in Deccan Plateau also, the central Deccan Plateau will not receive much rainfall as compared to the leeward side of the Sahyadris and all. Northeastern part gets more rainfall than northwestern part or the northwestern piece of India. So the reason I already told you. The normal rainfall in India is 120 centimeter per year. Information taken from the meteorological department. The area of rainfall classified below. Okay, so there are 4 regions in India, how they receive the rainfall. Number 1 is area of inadequate rainfall. So Andhra, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Ladakh. So we'll see here. So this is the Ladakh portion. Okay, so next is Andhra, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So Andhra, Karnataka and Maharashtra will receive the less rainfall. Larger portion of Western Rajasthan. So this larger portion of Western Rajasthan also receive very less rainfall. And so they will get the rainfall below 50 centimeter. Jaisalmer in Rajasthan is the spot in India that gets the least rainfall. So Jaisalmer is somewhere here only, which will receive the least rainfall in India. So in this map, this shows about the least rainfall. Remember, because UPSC can ask 10 marker question in mains examination GS paper 1. So you should be very much prepared for this, and very small and easy topic to understand. Low rainfall area we will see now. Now again Maharashtra is there, Gujarat is there, Karnataka is there, Tamil Nadu is there, Andhra is there, then Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh. So 50 to 100 centimeter. So most of the states comes under the low rainfall areas. So which all states are there? Maharashtra, then Gujarat, then Karnataka, then Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu. Then which are there? Andhra is also there. Then Madhya Pradesh. Then Punjab. After that Haryana. After that Western UP. So this Western UP. Uttar Pradesh, Western UP, and even you can consider Delhi also, because Delhi also is there in between. So they receives very less rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. Medium rainfall, so Gujarat, East Tamil Nadu, northeastern part, northeastern peninsula covering Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, eastern Madhya Pradesh, northern Ganga plain, along the sub-Himalayas and Sachar Valley and Manipur. So they receive 100 to 200. So Gujarat means eastern part where the wind will be available and moisture will be taken over by the winds and they will flow over the Gujarat. East Tamil Nadu, so Tamil Nadu will receive most of the rainfall in the November-December month. Okay, please comment down the answer why Tamil Nadu receives most of the rainfall in the winter season, not in the summer season. Then we have a northeastern peninsula. So northeastern peninsula, so this is northeastern peninsula. Then Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, all these things will cover here. Then we have sub-Himalayas and Sachar Valley and Manipur. So Manipur, okay. So all these states covers 100 to 200 centimeter. Now area of high rainfall. So the most worthy rainfall happens in west coast on the Western Ghats, sub-Himalayan regions in the upper east and the slope of Meghalaya. Northeastern locales and windward side of the Western Ghats experience more than 400 centimeter of rainfall yearly. In the Brahmaputra Valley and the connecting slopes, the rainfall is less than 200 centimeter. So if you see here, this portion and somewhere this portion, they receives maximum number of rainfall more than 200 centimeter. Okay, remember. Next, so this is the diagram which we consider. This is the complete picture of all the diagrams. So in this you are able to clearly see from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 400, above 400 also are there. So above 400, above 400, above 400, then above 400, above 400. Okay, so there are the reasons above 400. Apart from these, the distribution of rainfall is very much unequal in all over the places. For example, in Karnataka, you can see clearly here above 400 is also there, 200 to 400 is also there, 100 to 200 is also there. Even some places are there where 0 to 20 is also there. So this is the reason, or these are the reasons we discussed, like why the rainfall is uneven in the India. Now pattern of yearly rainfall in India. So attributable to the ideas of rainstorms, the yearly rainfall is exceptionally factored from one year to another. Fluctuation is high in the districts of low rainfall like Peace of Rajasthan, Gujarat, leeward side of the Western Ghats. So in these places the fluctuation is high of low rainfall. The rainfall dispersion in India is affected by the Thar Desert and the Himalayas. So if you know, there is a Thar Desert in Rajasthan and there are Himalayas in northern part of the country. So they deflect the winds, and because of these deserts and all, sometimes the wind will not reach there because of the anomalies. So wind will not reach those places, and it will distribute it among these India mainland only. Temperature and strain changes over the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and the southern piece of the Pacific Ocean likewise assume a critical part in the monsoon downpours. So temperature also, regarding Indian Ocean temperature, Arabian Sea temperature, Bay of Bengal temperature, and one more event is there in the Pacific Ocean, that is called El Nino. Okay, if you want a video on El Nino, please tell in the comment section. So because of these reasons, we have a very unequal distribution of rainfall, or sometimes variation is very much high. Okay, so area that receives 400 centimeter of rainfall in India. So Monsoon Ram, I told you. So Monsoon Ram is the place in Meghalaya which gets 400 centimeter of rainfall, and it is the wettest part or wettest land on the earth. Northeastern district and windward side of the Western Ghats experience 400 centimeter of yearly precipitation. Then Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal, slopes of Western Ghats are host to tropical rainforest. So If you want us to make video on the distribution of forest in India also, please again comment section, you have to write about that. Now type of rainfalls in India. So rainfall are classified into three main based on origin, and they are convectional rainfall. So convectional rainfall are nothing but what will happen every day. There will be a in the ocean, the temperature will increase very slowly. Humidity will increase, and once the humidity will reach that point where it cannot hold more of the moisture, so clouds will form and ultimately the rainfall appears. So this is the convectional one. Orographic or relief rainfall is nothing but, so this is the mountain. So whenever the wind will come this side of the mountain, so wind will get more and more heavier and they will try to climb more. But one time will come when the temperature will not increase further and the droplets containing the moisture in the wind or the clouds will get heavier and rainfall will appear. And one more thing you have to remember, this is only called as the windward side of the mountain. Then cyclonic or frontal rainfall. So what will happen? There are two fronts. One is cold front and one is hot front. Or so when these two fronts meet each other, again rainfall will occur. So that is the frontal rainfall. And another rainfall are classified in three based on the intensity, like low rainfall 0 to 2.5 mm, moderate rainfall between 2.6 mm to 7.6 mm, and heavy rainfall above 7.6 mm. So reason behind distribution of rainfall in India: direction of moisture laden winds. Winds are coming from Madagascar area, Indian Ocean area. So in what direction they are coming, in what intensity they are coming, that is direction of moisture laden wind. Pressure conditions, how the pressure is, whether the system is very clearly developed, like high pressure to low pressure, okay, or not. Second or the third reason is the cyclonic depression, determined by the pressure gradient. So again the same thing only, like pressure gradient, how it is fluctuated or not, how much difference is there in the pressure. And direction of relief features, again mountains, your Thar desert, Aravallis, forest, all these distributions. So these are the factors determining the rainfall distribution in India. These are the reasons rainfall distribution in India occur due to these reasons. First one is Bay of Bengal, second is distance from the sea. Areas along the coast gets more rainfall when contrasted to those which are further away from the ocean. So you can say in the peninsular India, on an average we will receive more rainfall as compared to the northern India. Next is wind direction, due to Arabian Sea branch blowing corresponding to the Aravalli Hills, Rajasthan gets inadequate rainfall. So we discussed already, like parallel to Aravalli, because of that one side will get rainfall and other side will get we have this Thar desert. Okay, so this is the small video regarding distribution of rainfall. So there will be a community post daily at 10 p.m. so where you have to vote the topic you want us to make a video on, and please share the video. Okay, please share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.